All right, hey, Lovable crew, this is Mo. We're back building the future of pickup basketball with HoopNow.app. Quickly, I'm going to recap week 1, 2, show you what we did for week 3 and where we're headed for week 4. On week 1, we mainly focus on the landing page, a waitlist feature in social media. So I'll just remind you of that. Here's our nice, simple landing page. Did get some feedback, hey, spice up that hero section a little bit. We did add the typewriter effect, helping call out our major value props, which is to really help you find a court, help you find other players, and help you find a game. So that was an enhancement that came in this week. Putting in the scaffolding for a beta program, so that's planned to go live next week. We've also got our socials in. So each one of these are live. So we're on Instagram, X, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. We've got our social media infrastructure in place and ready for beta next week. And so that's kind of what we focused on for week 1. Week 2 focused on court discovery and detail pages. And so with that, as I demoed in week 2, here's our court discovery. We in last week's video, we looked at New York, Los Angeles. We even went out to Istanbul, Turkey. And the way these pages work, they automatically display the courts that are near you. In addition, we brought in the court detail pages, so you can pop in here. We are working on bringing some of these stats to life. For example, once we get check-ins working, and I'll talk about that a little bit later, you'll be able to see how many players are actively at the court. That's great visibility because oftentimes at public courts, you don't know who's there at the court. So you show up, it's either packed, or you show up and no one's there. So those are 2 big features for week 2, ability to search courts and ability to go ahead and go into detailed pages. We brought in the favorites feature. So on each court, maybe your local court or whatever, you can click favorites and favorite that. It will be added to your favorites list. Other players eventually will see your court favorites. It'll be an opportunity for some community engagement. What else are we working on? So in week 3, we shipped user authentication. We also shipped player profiles, user favorites, and follow, unfollow. Now, these are important because these were based on week 2 feedback that says, hey, basically, why would anyone use this when you can go to Google Maps and just type basketball court? So we're excited as we bring in more and more of this social capability. It feels different already heading into the app. All right, so here we are at auth. We're going to go ahead and sign in. And what's going to happen is it automatically detects your location if you've already given it location access, and it will bring up the courts nearest you. Player profiles. So you click here. We'll bounce over to player profiles. Players can add profile pictures, backgrounds, badges. We're going to track streaks, check-ins, courts visited. We've already got the following and followers. We've also put in this improve your profile feature, allows folks to kind of work through player profile information, making it fun, skill level. We've also got playing style. We've got our 2 photos here, profile picture and profile banner. And here's the follow, unfollow. So let's say you're looking for players. We happen to have Morpheus sign up because he's just cool. So we're going to follow Morpheus, and you can see there Morpheus has been followed. That's our find player feature. So you can also find players this way, same city, nearby, anywhere. You can sort them based on distance, recent activity, most active. Next week, we are going to continue working the check-in feature. There were some concerns over the check-in feature because it kind of checked you in wherever you were standing on your phone. That's not what we want. We want you to check in just at basketball courts. So we had to pull that back from week 3, move that to week 4. We'll be still cranking on that. Week 4. We're also looking at adding more social and community features. The social and community feature section, right? So we're going to expand the social engagement features that we already saw. We're also going to add community and player news feeds. Next, we're going to move on to a feature to allow users to organize games, create, join, and manage pickup games at their favorite courts. We'll also allow players to invite players to games at designated courts. Our goal for next week, our stretch goal, is to launch beta. And to do that, we'll need to put user support, get our social media going. A feedback mechanism is going to allow us to really get feedback flowing from those beta users. And so that's it. And hope you guys are enjoying the build. I know we're getting to crunch time. We're over halfway through the program. Keep building. We are building the future of pickup basketball. Join us at HoopNow.app. Peace.